And just to give you an example, I've got this gal in my Make Once Pro program where we teach people how to become virtual coaches, 6-7-figure coaches. And she went and worked at a like a salon, and she was doing tans, spray tans, and things like that. And she was making, $8-10 an hour, and she couldn't make her $116 car payment. And so she is, it's LA, it's expensive, and she's kind of freaking out. So she calls her dad, and she asks her dad, hey, I don't know what to do here. And when she did that, her dad's like, well, how much are you making for a spray tan? She's like, well, about $75-80. And he goes, and you're getting paid $8 to $12 an hour. Yeah. Why don't you just do it for yourself? If you don't need any kind of special licensing or anything like that to do it, why not just do it for yourself? She took the leap. She did it. Her dad gave her the encouragement, and she started her own spray tanning salon. She ended up spray tanning celebrities for like $500 per spray tan. It was insane, right? And she came up with her own unique method.